Hey, chemistry class. I want to go over a couple of questions that some of you had on the PhET lab. Figure it'd be easier just to create a video. So hopefully this will help you as you complete the process. So primarily the questions were kind of what's the difference between frequency, amplitude, and how's that related to energy? So that's what this particular video is going to be about. Okay, so frequency. Frequency is how many wavelengths pass at a given time. So if you take a wave, and we'll use the one that I'm pointing to here on the screen, and say this is your set time. This is a moment in time, and you're going to count how many waves pass for 5 seconds. So you're going to pick a particular point on that wave, so say it's the crest, and you're going to count how many crests passed within 5 seconds, and that's your frequency. Okay? Amplitude is the height of the wave, okay? And basically amplitude, actually, let's go back. So frequency times wavelength equals speed. So we're talking about the EM spectrum, and speed is the speed of light. So in order to get the speed of light, that's going to be your frequency times your wavelength, okay? And amplitude, if you notice, is not part of that equation. So therefore, amplitude and frequency have nothing to do with each other, and I'll show you here. Okay, so you have this top wave that I'm pointing to that has the high crest. This is a high amplitude wave. It's high energy. And I'm going to share a video with you if I can find it of Mythbusters. And when you start seeing the waves in connection with sound, because we're so familiar with amps and sound and noise, it'll probably help you understand. So I'll share that with you as well. So if you have a high amplitude wave, it has high energy because essentially amplitude is the amount of energy a wave carries. Again, I'll say that again. Amplitude is the amount of energy a wave carries, okay? Look at this second wave, the shorter wave. It has a low amplitude. It has low energy. Both of these waves have the same wavelength. They have the same frequency, but the energy is different. So you can have the same frequency, but different amplitude or different energy. Okay, so again, I'll say it again. You can have the same frequency, but different amplitude. Okay, so amplitude can provide some information about energy. Frequency can provide some information about energy, but amplitude and frequency are not related. Okay? So let's go to this screen. Okay, so low frequency. These are long wavelengths. Okay, so red is low energy. So the wavelength or the frequency is low. Low frequency, low energy. Over here, it's high frequency. There's a bunch of wavelengths that's going to pass at a given moment. High frequency, high energy. So again, this is your UV. So this is the sun, gives cancer. This is infrared, so like a heat lamp. Low energy, high energy. If you have any other questions regarding this, please let me know, and I'll be happy to create another video. And look below, and I'll try to find the video about frequency, amplitude, and sound to help you understand a little bit better. Hope this helps.